Okay, so let's discuss about the exam paper. So I'm sharing my exam paper with you. So it is here only. You are able to see my screen. I have messaged to other students also to join the meeting. See, this was your exam paper, right? So let's discuss about the questions. So the first question is, which of the following is the correct definition of computer? So we have discussed about the definition of computer in class, and you have to see that which option is more appropriate. It may happen sometimes what happen, all the options are correct. We can say the single thing in many ways. So this is the such kind of question where I am having the various phases of discussing the same thing. So which is the correct definition of computer? Let's read it out. First one is, computer is a machine or a device that can program to perform arithmetical logical operations sequentially. Yes, it's a machine, it's a device, which is, I've told you, we have to give a lot of instruction to the computer system because computer don't know anything by itself. So what is that called? This is called as programming. During Scratch also, I've told you, during algorithm also, I've told you that we have to give the set of instruction again and again to the computer. Then only it will follow those instruction one by one. So one by one is called a sequence. So that we have to program it so that it will be able to do whatever work we want to do. So what work we want to do, like adding, subtraction. If we want calculation thing, it will do the arithmetical operation. If we want to do some logical thing, like writing some things, grammatical corrections, making the slides. So everything it can be able to do. The second content says computer understand only binary language. I told you computer works on the electrical signal, and electrical signal base is the signal of on and off. So we only have two things in computer, on and off. And by controlling this on and off, we can make computer do anything. And this on and off is represented as 0 and 1. And 0 and 1 is returned called as binary. It is there in your book also. Please, Abdullah, you also mute yourself because some noise is coming, okay? The third thing is called as the computer is a programmable electronic device. It's an electronic device. It's a programmable device we just discussed. And it stores the data. Yes, we can save our data and that is stored inside. You just see that the form was saved inside my computer system. And as soon as I click into the form, I can get back my form, my exam form. So that retrieves me the data and it also processes the data. I ask this form, I give the instruction to the form to make a link and send it to you. So this processing is also done with the same form. So what happened? All these things together, yes, satisfy the statements and hence all of the mentioned are correct. So the answer for the first question is all of the mentioned, right?
Ma'am, we can click any option.
You see, if you click any one option, then that's a wrong answer, na? Because all of three are the correct one.
Okay.
Although I gave you the relaxation, because all the three are the correct answer, correct definition of computer. So I did not deducted the marks of any student for this question specifically, because sometimes you get confused कि एक ही question का तीन answer कैसे possible है? That is why this time I gave you a relaxation. But remember, when we have three of them correct, then we should click into the all of them mentioned. Okay. So try to see which option is more appropriate, or sometimes it happens that two are not correct option, only one is the correct. So just use your wisdom to correlate the answers and then only answer. Okay. The second question. What is the full form of CPU? Tell me, what is this full form of the CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Very good about that. It's central processing unit. Third question. Which of the following is the brain of computer? As our brain works in our body, in the same way, computer has its brain which works for it. So can you tell me which is the brain of computer?
CPU.
Yes, again, central processing unit is the right answer. Next question. A computer is what device? Is it a large device? Is it a small device? No, it can be both. It can be large, it can be small. None of the above. We have a multitasking device. Multitasking data, because computer is in a small form, in the form of mobile. But if I'm asking about the desktop computer, is a bigger thing. And if you go to the data centers now, you have, or every company, the bigger banks and bigger associations have their data centers. So that there they have bigger computers as well. So computer can't be said as a large or a small. It could be anything. And initially, when computer was introduced in the market, now the very first computer was equal to the size of a building in Mumbai. It was so huge because they were using bigger transformers for controlling the signals on and off. Then they experimented a lot and reduced the size of the computer, and now you can have the computer in this form. See the progress in 50 years. So computer is multitasking. Multitasking means a device that can do lot many things together. See here, I can open my form. I can talk to you. I can see you in Zoom meeting. Along with that, if I want, I can open one more tab and do some more work along with this. So yes, we can do so many tasks together. So it is a multitasking machine. Computer can be used in malls. Yes, you have seen in malls that computers are working there.
Ma'am, all of above.
Yes, it is used in shop and it is used in hospitals also. Then computer can never be tired, bored, angry or fast. So अभी कंप्यूटर को गुस्सा आके मेरे को एक पंच मार सकता क्या? नहीं ना. Computer can't
Ma'am,
become angry.
computer,
It can't fight. It cannot be it fast.
ma'am,
Fast.
computer cannot tired.
Tired. Tired means thak jana. So computer cannot tired. See, in the morning 9 o'clock, my daughter is having her classes and she took this laptop from me and she go ahead till 1 o'clock. In between that, I take my class, and sometimes after that she attended her Kathak classes. She created her notes. So computer can't ever say, "Oh my God, my head is paining. Please, I have an headache and please leave me." No, never. Computer cannot be tired. But if I'm talking about fast, computer is a fast device. It can do calculation fast. But I'm talking about the negative question now. What computer does not do. I'm not talking about what computer does. So tired is the correct answer. Next, computer can never draw. Computer can draw, na? We know computer can draw. Computer can calculate. Computer can play music also. But can computer are able to decide or judge? No, not at all.
No.
है ना? ये अभी ये नहीं बता सकता कि मैं सुंदर दिख रही हूँ कि आयशा सुंदर दिख रही है. ये नहीं बता सकता है. ये तो हम ही डिसाइड कर सकते हैं ना कि हम चारों में से कौन ज्यादा स्मार्ट है, कौन ज्यादा सुंदर है, कौन स्लीपी है, वो भी मैं ही बता सकती हूँ. कंप्यूटर नहीं बता पाएगा. Aisha, you just woke up. It's bad.
Ma'am, because I was packing.
You always went out, na? Don't you fear about these viruses spread all around the world?
No, after so long.
After so long, what you did?
We are going out.
Wrong. You went to Lonavala during your happy birthday. I was also out and you were also out. हाँ, ए से शुरू होने वाले लोग बाहर ही होते हैं क्या हमेशा? It's not fair. नहीं नहीं. अभी I am not going anywhere, so you will not go anywhere. Next, which device is used to type data? Tell me, which device is used to type data?
Keyboard.
Yes, it's keyboard.
Keyboard, yeah.
The speaker is a which device? Input device or output device?
Output.
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 Which of the
Output.
following is used to record audio?
Microphone.
Yes, it's microphone. See, if I'm wearing this earphone, so there is a device, microphone, which is capturing my voice and sending this voice in your PC. But with the earlobes, I can only listen to the voice you are creating. Okay. Monitor is a dash device.
Monitor.
What monitor does? Please mute yourself. Please,
Input.
please, please. No. Monitor is an
Output.
output device because with the help of monitor, I can see anything. I can't type in the monitor. In the touchpad, we can type. We can type in monitor. So monitor is just retrieving the data. It is showing the data. So it is an output device. When devices are connected with the computer without wires, reminded without wires. अगर wire नहीं लगा है, तो the computer is called as
Wireless.
wireless
Hardware.
computers. Wireless, beta. Hardware is all the devices that we can touch. It's a keyboard, it is the mouse, it is the monitor. These are hardwares. But, sorry, I am having so many warnings today. But when computers are connected, see, right now I have attached my mobile phone data with my computer system without using any cord. So how it is happening? It is happening without wire, which is called as wireless. Right? Next, touch screen is. You have your mobile phone. In mobile phone, what you do? As soon as you touch your screen, it starts working. See a touchpad. So when I touch the screen, what happens? Some input went inside. And it is showing the result as well as soon as I touch the screen. So what does it mean? In a touch screen is an input device and a output. No, beta, it's an output device also because it is showing the result. And we can type in the screen also. So it is taking the data inside. So it is input device also and output device also. That is why both would be the answer, right? Next, output means, tell me, output means? Output means? Tell me
What data?
Means like
it's a
keyboard?
final result.
Keyboard.
Na. When we type anything from keyboard, it went
Memory.
inside the computer. Listen to me. When I'm typing something in the keyboard, it went inside the computer. That is input. That is why keyboard is called as input device. That
Mobile.
helps me to, wait a minute, that helps me to give some input inside the computer. And the devices that give some output. Output means जो मुझे final result आता है. अभी मैंने Zoom meeting का icon click किया. What happened? It gave me a window where I have to log in. When I logged in, I come in this meeting, in this window. So that is my output ना. मुझे फाइनल रिजल्ट मिला ना, मैं जो करना चाहती थी वो प्रोसेस होके मेरे पास फाइनली आ गया मेरे हाथ में. सो दिस इज आउटपुट एंड क्योंकि मैं इसको स्क्रीन पर देख पा रही हूँ, दैट इज व्हाई द मॉनिटर इज कॉल्ड एज द आउटपुट डिवाइस. सो व्हाटएवर वी गेट एज the thing that we want, we get it. That is the output. So final result. Output means the final result, what I want. If I'm entering the data with the help of keyboard, that is input. And this input went inside the computer in the central processing unit. It processes. So processing is that part where the calculation part is going on. And sometimes we save our files. So those files are called as a storage. That is another part of the computer system. Are you getting me? The input, output, input is entering the data and output is getting the final result. So for this, answer is final result. Right? Any problem with this question?
No.
Okay. Which part of the computer does all the calculation? So all the calculation in our body, where it happens in our brain. So where does all calculation done by the computer system? It will done in, what is the brain of computer? There all the calculation will done.
Chip.
Tap. Is that answer?
Ma'am,
Abhi
memory.
na baba, memory is the place where everything gets stored. CPU. ऑप्शन देखो, ऑप्शन में चिप लिखा है क्या? नहीं लिखा ना. ऑप्शन में क्या है? इनपुट डिवाइस. Input device is used to input the data. Output device is used to get the final result. CPU is the place where all the processing does. And memory is the place where we save all the data. Okay? Did you got me now? Always remember, these are the basic concepts of computer system. Okay? Hope you did well in your examination. I did not, sorry, I'm not able to remember the individual results, but I hope a good things from you. Okay, so this is about the exam paper. Now let's move into Scratch. Okay, we have done with algorithm. Acha, one thing, not with the three of you, some of the students don't know how to create algorithm. It's not fair. I have sent you the video. I've sent it the link to you how to create algorithm. Still, you did not follow that. The other student did not follow. Oh.
Ma'am, I was right. Ma'am, my one was right. Ma'am, is scratch from
Yes, Victor.
nothing.
Okay, in the previous class, I have told you how to log in the Scratch programming. Remember? How to join Scratch programming? Remember? Do you know how you can come in this screen? So for this, what you have to do? Let me follow it up for you.
Ma'am, can I come from the washroom?
Yeah, sure. Obada, remember how we have done this thing? How to sign in the Scratch?
Yeah, I know.
You know, na? So if anyone does not know, I have posted a video in your group also, in pre-recorded video also, how you are able to join the Scratch. Okay. Today also what I will do, I will send you the link of the video with the help of which you can join the Scratch. If you find any problem, please tell me, I will help you with that. Right now, we will do with the Scratch programming. So what you have to do, Google. Yes.
3.0.
Yes. In the Google.
We want to search.
Yes. Go in the Google bar and there type Scratch 3.0, and with the help of which you will get this window. Have everyone got this? Abdullah, got this? Okay, now what you will do? Sign in. You have created your account. I've told you to create the account and remember the user ID and password. So I'm entering my user ID and password and signing in. Why we are creating this? We can also create program without signing in. But with signing in, what happened? Whatever I am going to type over here, everything will be saved in my computer system. Everything will be saved in the Scratch, not in the computer system. So you can access these files anywhere with any device with the help of your login ID and password. Okay. So shall we start doing programming? What? Abdullah, shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see here, we have this Scratch programming screen. In this screen, this is called as the coding part. These are the codes that are already available in the Scratch. This is the place where we are going to assemble all the Scratch codes, and according to these codes, my sprite is going to show the output. So this is the input screen and this is the output screen. जो भी मैं यहाँ पर लिखूंगी उसके accordingly this sprite will work. Okay, and so this is the output screen. So the screen is divided into 3 parts, right? Continues. Abdullah, speak to me. Obada, are you getting it or not? Okay, and this cat is called as the sprite. What it is called? It is sprite. Okay, so let's start. Let's start commanding this cat sprite. So the very first thing with every program, what you have to do is go to the go to the events, and then just drag this when flag is clicked and drop in the middle part of the screen. After this, what you will do, whatever you want. I want this cat to walk for 100 steps. So what I will take, I will drag this move 10 step over here, and instead of 10, I will write over here 100 steps. Then I want this cat to turn to 15 degrees. And then I want this cat to say hello. So let's go to hello button, and it's in looks. So I will ask the cat to say hello, and this hello will be stayed till 10 seconds. Okay, everything in computer system you have to say to sprite, then only it will do that. अगर मैं इसको 10 सेकंड का नहीं दूंगी ना मार्जिन, तो वो हेलो बोलता ही रहेगा. अदरवाइज वो ये भी कर सकता है कि हेलो बोल के चुप हो जाए. I want the screen to show the hello part for 10 seconds so that I can actually see it. Hello. And now I want this sprite to move back to 15 degrees. So I'll take this anti-clockwise command. I'm dragging it and dropping it over here. And then I will ask my sprite to say, Now it will think, for again 10 seconds. And then I want the sprite to say, my name is what? My name is sprite. So yeah, again. So what I will do, I'll click into this part and I start writing my name is Catty Cat. And this I'm going to ask this cat to say for 5 seconds. Okay, let's see what happened. Everyone, pay attention. See, it went to 100 steps. Let's say hello. It will wait for 10 seconds. It will rotate again for 15 degrees. You will see the output C, and it started thinking about, and now it will say, my name is Catty Cat. Right? Understood how this sprite works? Now I want to recognize this command where it is. So the name of here is untitled 18. Instead of this, I am going to write it as Armstrong. Okay. So you can access your program with the help of the name you want to understand. Okay. Is there any problem with you? Did you understand how our sprite is going to work? How it can say anything? How it can move some steps? Matu? Are you getting it better? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone create this project, this program in your screen and show me the outputs. Okay? Start creating in your screen and show me the outputs. As soon as you are done, please let me know. I'll share this. I'll allow you to share the screen and you are going to show me what you have did. Understood now? Wherever you find any problem, just let me know. Do it right now. Wherever you find any problem, just talk to me.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
Create a Scratch program. I have given the code. Let me show you the output of the sprite. And Aisha, you already done with the sprite. I know you have done with the Scratch. Just try to create the same program that I have created. And if you have any problem, talk to me and just ask me. I'll help you out. See what my sprite is doing.
Yes.
Fine. So now start creating this program. I'm going to see everybody's program. Okay. So you just have to tell me that whenever you are done with your programming, tell me. I am going to share screen. I will allow you to share the screen and you are going to show me your programs. Okay. Amatur, any problem, Bacha? Are you able to create this? Any problem with you, Beta?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go washroom?
Yes, of course. I'm allowing you people to share your screen and show me how much you have done. Stop sharing mine, and one by one, please show your work. Mathur, show me what you have done till now.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
That's fine. As much you have done, just show me. Right now, Mathur is sharing her screen, then Aisha, you. नहीं हाँ पहले अब्दुल उबादा का देख लेते तब तक तुम्हारा हो जाए. Yes, Mathur, show me. Mathur, what you can do, you just click the cat and drag it to this place. Then you can see the output. Click and drag. Yes. We have to wait for 15 seconds. We have to wait for 15 seconds. No, don't press it again. We have to wait for 15 seconds now. It is taking its time. Wait for 15 seconds. We have give hello after and then there is 15 seconds time. No? So we have to wait for that. Don't press it. Yes. See, after 15 seconds, it starts series. And then for 2 seconds, and it is removed. Good. Well done. So now, this is one thing. Now you create by using some more commands and create some other program and just show me in the next class. Okay. Everyone. Yes. Abdullah Ganja. Okay. Now, Bada, are you there? Okay, fine. Stop sharing, Amatul. Amatul, remember your ID and password, huh? Because I find your ID a complicated one. Try to remember it and rename your program also, okay? Obada, show me your work. Aisha is doing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the Scratch is not taking my email ID.
Why? It won't take your email ID. It will take your ID that you have created in Scratch. You have created a login ID in Scratch, now. It will take that one. So you are not creating your program. Okay, by then, Abdullah, can you show me your project? Till Abada is working out with his sign in detail. Abdullah, he is not there, I think. Okay, Aisha, will you show me? Ahmed, you have joined late. I am going to upload today's video session in YouTube. Please follow that video and do your work and show me in the next class. Okay, Aisha, are you going to show me? Please follow the recorded videos if you have finding any problem. Obada, if there is problem with login IDs, then please follow the video of login ID and password, then you will better understand what is going on. And still, if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime, no problem. You can even message me if you have any problem. I may late in answering, but I will surely answer you. Ahmed, I'm going to see your project in the next class. I have just taught you how to create a Scratch programming, and I'm going to upload this video in YouTube. Please follow that video. And if you face any problem, ask me the question, but show me the program definitely in the next class. Okay. You have seen Amatur's program now. I'm going to see yours also. Amatur, very good.
Okay.
I like your work. Thanks. You are always quiet in the class, so I feel whether you are understanding or not. But I'm happy that you did. I should show me
Okay.
as much work you have did. Just show me that much. That's fine with me. I'm not asking you to give me the whole work. It's
Ma'am,
fine. There will be a
see?
lack of 2 or 3 commands. Yes, Ahmed. You have created something in Scratch.
Yes.
What?
I'm scared.
Okay. Okay. Click into the flag. Click the flag.
I can see black,
What you can see?
black color.
Okay. There must be some setting which makes it a black color.
Ma'am,
This is the Scratch screen, Ahmed. So you have to create code in the right section. You have the codes in the center part. You have to assemble the codes in the right part of your screen and create the program, see the output and send it to me or show me in the next class. Okay. Create the program as we
Okay.
have created now. Create in the same way. If you want to take the screenshot, I'm sharing my screen and you can take the screenshot.
Okay.
See, you can take the screenshot or you can even follow the YouTube video today of today's session. See, this is the output. अरे मेरा cat कहाँ भाग गया? आओ चलो वापस आओ.
Purple, blue, orange.
नहीं, it's not about the color. It's about the words that has been written, the commands that has been written over there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'm take a screenshot.
Okay, fine. Take.
Okay.
Done. Everyone take a screenshot and create the program and show me in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
I'm leaving for now. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.